To use Suzuki's built-in SatNav system, you just select the drive mode on the display. It gives you a few options, including New Address. Simply touch the option you want and the keyboard pops up. Enter the details of your destination. There's the one you want. Select and you're good to go. You can change the map view and scale using the icons, or by pinching in and out with your fingers. The SatNav saves the places you've been. And you can also enter your favourites as well as save your home address. Plus, there are a load of other preferences to help you customise what you see on screen. It's simple and straightforward, just the way I like it.